अस्य श्री शुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य
अस्य श्री शुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य अस्य श्री शुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य
उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी उपस्थ इन्द्रिय अधिष्ठायी उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी
उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी
वरुणादित्य ऋषिः
वरुणादित्य ऋषिः वरुणादित्य ऋषिः
दैवी गायत्री छन्दः
दैवी गायत्री छन्दः दैवी गायत्री छन्दः
सात्विक ककार भट्टारक पीठस्थित
सात्विक ककार भट्टारक पीठस्थिता सात्विक ककार भट्टारक पीठस्थिता
कामेश्वराङ्कनिलया
कामेश्वराङ्कनिलया कामेश्वराङ्कनिलया
महाकामेश्वरी
महाकामेश्वरी महाकामेश्वरी
श्रीललिता परा भट्टारिका देवता
श्रीललिता परा भट्टारिका देवता श्रीललिता परा भट्टारिका देवता
ऐं बीजम्
ऐं बीजम् ऐं बीजम्
क्लीं शक्तिः
क्लीं शक्तिः क्लीं शक्तिः
सौः कीलकम्
सौः कीलकम् सौः कीलकम्
मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे
मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे
जपे विनियोगः
जपे विनियोगः जपे विनियोगः
moksha. It happens in the Vartamana. There is no Bhavishyat. See, when moksha, if you think that it happens in the Bhavishyat, that means you are tied up with the kalam. As long as you are bound with the kalam time, there is no moksha. So moksha, when you are coming out of all these passions, all these vikaras, and you are able to fix your awareness on the present moment, which is very minute, and that moment is called moksha. Then comes Midhuna Tarpanantamala. Tarpana is Tarpaiti Tarpanam, expression of happiness and gratitude. And because of this Midhuna Tarpanantamala, you will get into a state of Nityananda. Anandas are different. Vishayananda, Brahmananda, Nityananda. So many Anandas are there. Nityananda means Laukika, Alaukika Anandam. Both you are enjoying. Laukika Anandam, if my family is progressing, I am happy. But I am happy not because my family is progressing, irrespective of what is happening outside. Nityananda Dayini. So Nityanandam, that means every moment you will be in the Ananda state. How that happens? When you are connected with that Sarvanandamayi, every moment, then you are having the state of Nityananda. How you can get this Nityananda when you are continuously connected with the Sarvanandamayi? The secret of the life here comes to you. Last but one. I am getting that emotion to which I am connected. If I am connected to the pain in my life, I am getting pain. If I am connected to the anger in the other person, I am getting anger. And I know this secret at this moment, so I'll always be connected to that everlasting. I'm also showing like this, everlasting, all-pervading Anandam. When I know that whatever I'm focusing, I'm getting the emotion from that. Now I know how I can be always happy. How is mother described in Sri Chakra Archana? Where is she? Sarvanandamaya Chakra. Then finally, Midhuna Jayantamala. At this time, Bhoga Moksha Pradayini. Here is a beautiful word. Normally people think when you are, spiritually awakened, all these are useless. We don't need this. I always need to do japa like that. But here, another definition is given, which is bhoga is I'll enjoy what is coming to me. Jiva has got two states. It's happening because of my fate. Then you are a jiva. But when you are enlightened, all this is happening because of my will. The fate becomes will. That's when there is no difference between bhoga and moksha. I'm beyond these two. At that time, I'll be able to see bhoga and moksha in the same way. I'm able to see the pleasure and pain in the same way. It's called samāti, which is called samadhi. So that is the effect of 15 Khadgamalas. In these 15 Khadgamalas, Satvika, Rajasika, Tamasika, all the three tattvas come. And Kakara, Ekara, Ikara, all these Ilahrim, all the sounds will come. Now you know it's not one Khadgamala. It is 15 Khadgamala. Asya Sri Suddha Jiktimala Mahamandrasya Upastendriyadishtai. Upa, sta, being close. Upa means close. Sta means being there. Where is she? In the beginning, Hrinkaratana Garbhitanalasikham. That is, there's a Hrinkara, Hakara, Rakara, Ekara. You need to imagine a fire. On the tip of the fire, you need to Chidaknikunda Sambhota. This is only experienced by some sadhakas, great sadhakas. What about normal people? How can they find mother in the body? On one hand, they are seeing this as a changing body, changing with the age, changing with the time. How can I see mother? Where is she? The answer is Upastendriya Adishtai. Upasta Indriya Adishtai. All the 5 sensory organs. She is there. That's where. Are you seeing? No. She is there in the eyes. She is there in the ears. She is there in the nose. She is there in the speech. She is there in the touch. Here is the key. When the master is there in the class, you'll be disciplined. Right? When I think that I'm listening, I'm speaking, that I factor gives you indiscipline. But when I know that it is not me, mother is saying, my focus is not on the indriya, my focus is on the mother behind the indriya. So always mother. Nilchunte Ramamayam, Kurchunte Ramamayam, Padukunte Ramamayam, Ram, Ram, Ram. Rama is eating, Rama is sleeping, Rama is speaking, Rama is listening. Kim bhoktavyam, kim abhoktavyam, kim pataniyam, kim apataniyam, sarvam brahmamayam. Sadasiva Brahmendra. So, that I factor is separated and she is seeing, she is thinking, she is. And that is not applicable only to you. That is applicable to everybody around you. Then what happens is, you love yourself and you love everybody around you. Only prema. Only ananda. Imagine that word. And that is Manidvipam. So you experience Manidvipam with this word, Upasta Indriya Adishtai. There is one more tantric meaning also. Upasta is female genital. Indriya Adishtai. And she says, that's where I am. Because we all came from that only. Bhagamalini, Bhagavanta, Yoni. This is where. So it's a creativity. You should not look at it as a physical part. No. The source of creation is me. Upasta Indriya Adishtai. And when you know that she is behind the Indriya, you can enjoy the life as Indra. when you know that you are separate and she is separate, then you are affected by the pain and pleasure, always running here and there for peace, when you have the peace by yourself. So, Achastri Suddha Siktimana Mahamantrasya Upaste Indriyadishtayi Varunaditya Rushi. See, every mantra has got Rishi, Chandas, Devata, Bijam, Shakti, Kilakam. Rishi is experienced on the top, Chandas on the face, Devata in the heart, Bijam in the genitals, and Shakti in the feet. Our Guru said Kilakam is all over the body. So, Upastendriyadishtayi Varunaditya Rishi. Rishi is that seer. How the mantras came to us?